So, okay, last. How about good work for cinema? My phone, my phone is charging. I'm still good over here. The clean up. Come here. I phone something. I thought we are going to room. About 3. To the well. So, the well. Something on phone. I don't know. The phone levels getting now. You got to buy it. Because my God will test one. You go ring and you never before you. I say, whatever you can never do anything. But we ring that. Can you survive? You can't survive. I pity you. You need that much money and space for you to survive. Or can you be on the survival of the fittest? So, can't go, can't get it fresh. Let me look for the fresh one. So that's how they pay you. First, I want for the demon soccer. Let me go. Pussy. Get a food. So now somebody asked me one why they trend in social media since. So I've been the trend. So now I can lead us, probably lead us, videos as well. Most of my folk on Amaro, I'm not number of businessmen. They're doing their business. Yes, bigger than the video will be going to smile and the short like the IG account to load down. The top of them will be the 20 account. For some people, it's like to do under IG account. So we shut that one down. The video was on. If I come for you, you cry. If you come for me, you still cry. Born and no to fine. And then don't get out willingly. You don't need it. But that is not my business. I don't care for what you do for a living as long as you put food on your table. Yes. I don't care for what you do for a living as long as you put food on your table. When I hear him, my business. You know my business can do. Business is my personal the business is be and the account. You have to go. So I put my business if you never working me. I go maybe how you go into China and import phone. If you put your phone, pay everything. Clear your goods. So you can say you have any price you want. What do you need to get you? What do you want to do? So Nigeria could attach, you can sell any amount. When they 450, when they 280, when they 200. Open a bigger degree when they 450, go and look at 80 degree, but when they 200. So business, could do more man. So when was I be panicking or crying over something now what you need to be? Business and doesn't have a very if I be video send it on your private party. I send the letter. Is it my business? That is not my business. My business has to survive in this economy. This other economy, this soft economy, this country. You cannot put it survive, not even use video and do on it. You want a vlog, you want a video. Vlog the successful businessman, very rich. At his age, over to go. GDM is trying to get to that stage. And I want to go gradually because he's now a businessman. I don't see him as a human rights activist. I see him as a content creator and a businessman. If you want to talk about activists, talk about Randy, talk about Showore, Randy Peters, Showore. That is good that I know that you have to. GDM was human content creator and a businessman. So I don't care what people think about it. It's none of my business. One person wants to say, I'm not going to makara pete pe obìnrin àdáni Nàìjíríà náà lè so ètí ẹgbẹ́ tó lè sí Nàìjíríà ọ̀sádà náà ọ̀run àná ní síwáìn àwọn ọ̀bá iná bá ní síwáìn kàmá bọ̀ àbúkọ́ wọn kókó tó wọn ní arábìnrin pẹ̀lú ẹ̀dẹ́ta sí my business ìpínlẹ̀ ìdí àdáni Nàìjíríà àná ìgbókò that time my business nígbà tó mo fọ́nà pẹ̀tẹ́ náà máa ń ṣe business mu why you can't business in Nigeria? Why can't people mind your business? Why can't you people mind your business? What is your business between you and Daniel and her husband? Your business between VDM and the dealers. See the people never clone business. They are just friendly, making business. Look at their followers are increasing. They are putting more money in their pocket. The labor and outside VDMs for VDM as well. Dealers for dealers as well. If you want the dealer, you want the VDM. If you want the original Daniel, you want the book. Now you have not about the and the FNG my capital about young attack phone software now. And then what I'm going to do a vlog, my video, my Regina Daniel, my network, all right nonsense, none of my business. All my business. It's one to China, good half year. You don't know one plane, see about China, go to Bata. It's okay go not get life here, but hala. After opposite tax, after kill that you have used here from Wolf. If it's okay go not get life here. And the length alone. It will go away, you go to get a little bit cheaper. If you feel that money and them off, go and buy your own. When you buy your own, sell it 100,000. We still buy. When they level 450, people will still buy. So, bro, by you go nearly. So, if you know, all the bad deal, you could. Can you see? Ogun, this is my business.